much the home screen of the application. This application allows you to turn yourself into pretty much a AI manga character, AI anime character. So here at the top, you're pretty much adding a photo of yourself, and pretty much tap on the add new character. You'll be able to select your genders, you can see your name, and upload the photo that you want to turn into a character. As well, you can give your character a name. So very, very simple. And as well, you can select the style of the picture or the manga. As you can see here, there are a lot of styles you can choose from. And once you've done that, you can also pretty much enter your details as it relates to your manga. You can tap on the Inspire Me option if you don't have anything in mind. And as you can see here, it will just give you something random. And if you don't like that one, you can always tap on the Inspire Me again, and it will give you something that you may like, as you can see here. So the advanced option here, you have pretty much get into a title. As you can see here, you have the option to select the language. You have quite a few language here, as you can see. And as well, you can see how much pages you want. So based on how much pages you want, it will require a certain amount of credits. So if I do want 18 pages of manga in, let's say, English, as you can see here, you can either select a different language if you choose to. You can see how much credits will be needed. So that's pretty much it. And once you pretty much tap on the create option, it will pretty much start creating and you're good to go. But do keep in mind, you do have a limited usage of this application, so you may need to get your subscription. You can tap on the pro option at the top here, and you'll be able to see their subscription prices. So they pretty much their highest subscription prices is this year weekly plan. As you can see here, how much credits you get with this subscription, and a yearly plan, you can see pretty much how much you'll be getting with this here. So that's really pretty much it for that. And once you've created anything or any manga or any anime series on this application here, you can tap on the history section and you'll be able to find it here. So in the settings option here, you have the support option. Also have the activation key, which will give you subscription for completely free. Not for free, you'll have to get the code and so forth, but yeah, you do understand. But that's really pretty much it for the application. Very good application. Not gonna lie, I've reviewed something very similar to this and they really do work well. But that's really pretty much it. See you in the next one, guys.